الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. As we have been talking about all these values, we have been talking about mastering yourself, trying to be responsible, the sense of responsibility before God and within the society. And there is one critical value that we have also to tackle when it comes to our relationship to our heart, our relationship with our practice or performing our prayers, and for example, as we are fasting, the way we fast and the way we are dealing with human beings. And this is the value of temperance, moderation. We know that Islam came with this central message that we are and we have to follow the middle path, or the path of the middle, meaning by this that we need to find our way between two extremes and try to be in every situation moderate, but in the way we are talking about it in spiritual terms, meaning how to fast, knowing, for example, and this happened with the Prophet ﷺ, a woman who wanted to pray so much that she put a robe in the mosque and tried to pray even when she was tired. And the Prophet ﷺ said, no, if you have to respect your body, you pray, yes, but you have to respect your body and you have to be moderate, to show this temperance that we are talking about, al-'iffa, which means a way that you are dealing in an intellectual structure and the mindset that you have. It's always with your religion, with your practice, in the way you pray, always to find the path, even when it comes to the way we are thinking about this life and the hereafter, that you should not forget your share in this world. So you have to be also moderate in the way you are dealing between the hereafter and here. And while you are fasting, it's very important for us as subject, as human being, also to be balanced in the way we are fasting, but we are not asking too much from our body, from even our mind. Everything in our life should be based on this moderation, intellectually speaking, with our heart, to listen to our heart and to know that when it comes to our relationship with the people, to be quite clear about what we believe in, but to be also able, when people are having other views or other beliefs, to respect this. This is the way temperance has to do with wisdom, and we have it in the Quran. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah. Call to the path of God, to the way of God, to God's way, with this wisdom. And this wisdom, part of it, the heart of it, is temperance. Is when you are mastering, when you are listening, you give and you take, you listen and you talk. And in everything in our life, this is what we have to do, to be balanced and to try to find our way. This is a value which is part of our wisdom, and this wisdom is the light of our faith, and faith is the condition to us coming before God and responding to our responsibility in a way which is always taking and giving, balancing everything, inshallah. Remain positive, take good care of yourself, and never forget to tell the people you love that you love them. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.